Hi everyone, this is Cookware SOS and my name is Beth. Today's SOS is going to be answered by our Mother's Day gift list. Now, as a daughter and a mother myself, I know that shopping for Mother's Day can be really difficult. Moms already seem to have everything. Well, one of the things to look at when you're shopping are their hobbies. How do they like to spend their time? If they're like me and like to spend their time in the kitchen, then anything that will make it more fun is always welcome. Something to keep in mind is that just because your mom has said that she wants or needs something for the kitchen, it doesn't mean that it's going to be a great Mother's Day gift. She may have said that she needs a new nonstick frying pan to make your pancakes and eggs, but that's not very personal. But something that she already likes to do, but in a more personalized way, is a great idea. One of the current trends in kitchens and cookware is the use of color. And luckily, there are a lot of products that already have a great gallery of colors. So, number one on our Mother's Day gift list is going to be the KitchenAid mixer. Now, whenever I used to get asked if I wanted a KitchenAid mixer, I always said, no, that's too extravagant. I'm very happy with my old-fashioned handheld mixer. But then I was surprised with one year, and I fell in love with it. It makes everything so much easier. You can multitask, which is something you were never able to do with the handheld mixer. And they're beautiful. You can get amazing colors. Now, if the woman in your life already has a KitchenAid mixer, there are lots of different attachments that you can purchase. There's the meat grinder and pasta maker. But you can also, if you are on a budget and still just want to make something more fun, you can get KitchenAid mixer stickers that really kind of brighten it up and make it a lot of fun. Now, number two on my list is going to be the cast iron pot. Not just the bare cast iron like you might take camping with you, but one of the French enameled pots. So I tend to prefer Staub just because I like the classic lines of those pots and the more traditional colors. But Le Creuset with the enameled inside can be a little easier to care for, and they do have a wider selection of colors. Now, if the cast iron pots are a little out of your price range, or she already has her favorite pots, then both Le Creuset and Staub have a variety of ceramic baking dishes or bowls that can be added to make the kitchen more personal. Staub also has decorative knobs that can be added to the pots that are a lot of fun. There's a chicken and a fish, a little snail, lots to choose from. Now, number three on my list is by Zwilling. It's the Infinity Kettle Pro. What I love about this kettle is that it comes in 4 different colors. So you have a choice between silver, gold, black, or rose. So again, another great way to personalize it towards your mom. This kettle has 7 different temperature settings. So if you don't have to boil water, why do it? Save the time and energy and pick a lower temperature for that white tea, the green tea, or maybe a pour over coffee. It also has an option to warm up a baby bottle. So if you have a new mom on your list, then this is a great option that lets dad take over one of the feedings and lets her sleep in. And every night that a mom gets to sleep in a little bit is Mother's Day. Well, one of the things that happens when mom's putting on a big family dinner is that at some point she's going to get called away from family and guests to work in the kitchen. By the time she comes back, her wine glass is probably warm. Well, that can be a real letdown. So number 4 on my list is the VoChill Personal Wine Chiller. It's a stand that will hold the wine glass and keep it at the perfect temperature. You can also, again, personalize it towards your mom because it comes in 3 colors. There is stone, quartz, and blush. You can also just buy a single, or if you're going to help mom in the kitchen, you may as well get a pair. If the previous suggestions haven't really called out to you, then start thinking about what her passions might already be. Over the pandemic, a lot of us have gotten into new ways of cooking. That could be with an air fryer or an Instapot, maybe a sous vide machine. And there are a lot of cookbooks that are geared directly towards that way of cooking. So number 5 on my list is going to be a cookbook. The internet is really becoming the go-to place if you're trying to find a new recipe, but it can sometimes be really annoying if you want to try and find it again through your bookmarks, or maybe your screen times out right in the middle of something. Who wants to touch their phone with sticky fingers? Whereas with a cookbook, if it doesn't have a sticky finger spot, then you know it isn't a loved cookbook. You can also think about getting a blank cookbook, someplace that your mom can put her favorite recipes that maybe she found on the internet. And if you do the writing, then you know you're going to be able to read it when she hands it down to you. I do hope that even if the gift ideas I've given you haven't been quite what you were looking for, that they'll at least have got the creative juices flowing so you're able to find the perfect gifts for the moms in your life. I will be putting in links in the description below in case you want to have a little closer look at those items. And know that if you do click on any of them, it's possible that I will receive a small commission for them. If you have any cookware related gift ideas, please share them with us in the comments below. Thanks again for joining me here at Cookware SOS. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I really look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.